All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All right, today I am going to show you how I put the vehicle into gear, okay? The GMC 2017 Yukon into gear. Now remember, read your owner's manual so you know how to do this properly and abide by your owner's manual, but I'm gonna show you how I do it, okay? So I'm sitting in the vehicle, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my foot on the brake right here. Do you see that? I pressed on the brake. And then there's this lever right here. This is for shifting the gear, okay? So I'm gonna shift it to drive, and when I do it, I pull this towards me, and then pull it down to the appropriate gear, which is drive, and there you go, all right? And now, when I'm done, and when I'm gonna put it back in the park, my foot's on the brake, I'm gonna pull it towards me, and then push it up to park, okay? All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Read your owner's manual. Give me a thumbs up.